Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about bedwetting. Bedwetting is also known as enuresis, which is an inadequate bladder control. So generally 1 amongst 4 children do bedwet, but if it continues beyond 4 years, then it is a matter of concern. So what you need to make sure to be aware of is whether this is a physical concern or an emotional concern. You can consult a psychologist or a doctor for the same and get more information. On the other hand, I will be providing certain information on the emotional aspect that you can take care of. Generally, bedwetting happens if the child has been through some emotional trauma, for example, a death in the family, some relocation or fights between parents. So, do make sure to observe the same if it has affected the child deeply. Be very patient and empathetic towards the child. Make sure to preserve his self-esteem because he is not doing this deliberately, but it is not under his control as well. 2 aspects that you need to take care of is, one is self-awakening for the child. So do educate the child that it is important for him not to control his urine and go to the washroom whenever needed. And second is help the child imagine that he has a wet-free night. Secondly, parent awakening. So make sure that you take your child to the washroom just before he goes to bed. Also avoid giving him a lot of liquids before he goes to sleep. Set alarms if need be in the middle of the night. Also don't carry your child to the washroom. Make your child wake up and walk towards the washroom. This helps the child understand that he or she needs to go to the washroom as and when needed. Now, one very important intervention that I would be sharing is that of behavior modification, that is rewarding the child as and when he does a good job of not wetting the bed in the night or the day. So what you do is you make a chart which has probably all the days of the month, and every day that the child does not wet the bed, you either can make a star or maybe you can make a smiley, whatever resonates with the child the most. So this helps the child look at it visually and also make sure to make it a game. Make it look very attractive so that the child likes to look at it and also takes it as a game daily. So you can also be a part of the game in some way. Also make sure that when the child is performing really well consistently, reward the child in a certain way. This reward need not be materialistic, but be it in a form of taking the child to the garden an extra hour, or maybe allowing the child to watch TV for an extra hour, or making his favorite dish that he likes. This helps in reinforcing whatever you are trying to do. As you take care of this, make sure to be very creative. Also, consistency needs to be maintained. If you are using this process, make sure to use it for 2-3 months until you observe that consistently the child is not wetting the bed, So it'll do a much better impact on him, and also it will remain for longer. So go ahead, apply whatever we have discussed. On the other hand, be patient and hang in there. Time will cure it for sure. Thank you.